Though it sounds tough, the truth is, whether we succeed or fail in life largely depends on our small daily habits. Many successful people say the same thing. Nothing happens in a day. But when one day adds to another, and those days turn into habits, that's where the foundation of the future is built. Often we dream of doing something big, but we avoid the small tasks needed to achieve those dreams without realizing it. Phrases like, "I'll do it tomorrow" or "I can do it later" become the biggest enemies of our lives. Today's story is about a boy who dreamed of becoming someone great, but his life was messy. He thought one day, maybe suddenly, his life would change. But life is not a movie where everything changes in a moment. So watch this video till the end, because maybe these few minutes today can mark the beginning of a new habit in your life. In a peaceful town lived a boy named Alex. Alex was an average student, neither very talented nor very weak. But he had big dreams. He wanted to be successful. However, he had a big problem. He was undisciplined. He often left tasks unfinished, ignored small duties, and found it hard to follow any routine. Despite all his ambitions, Alex never seriously started any work. He made many big plans but never completed them. Whether it was studies, exercise, or learning a new skill, he always said, "I'll start tomorrow." But that tomorrow never came. His parents and teachers advised him to be regular and disciplined. But their words didn't make much impact on him. Alex believed that only big efforts bring big changes. And since those big changes scared him, he never tried to work seriously. One day, Alex met a wise professor in town. Seeing Alex's problems, the professor smiled and asked, "Alex, do you know the secret to a successful life?" Curious, Alex nodded. The professor said, "Success doesn't come from doing something big in one day. It comes from small daily habits." He began to tell a story. A long time ago, a farmer planted a bamboo seed in his garden. Every day, he watered and cared for it. But after 1 year, there was no progress. 2 years passed, yet nothing happened. Other plants grew tall, but the bamboo seed stayed the same. Many laughed at the farmer, saying he was wasting time. But the farmer kept believing in caring for it. Then, in the 5th year, a miracle happened. Within just 6 weeks, the bamboo grew 80 feet tall. The farmer smiled and said, "Everyone thought the seed was doing nothing. Maybe it was rotten. No. It was strengthening its roots underground to support its future height." Success in life is just like that. Small habits may seem insignificant at first, but over time, they build the foundation for great success. Hearing this, Alex was lost in thought for a long time. He realized he had been waiting only for big changes, neglecting the small habits that could truly lead him to success. He asked, "Sir, what kind of small habits can I start?" Mr. Miguel smiled and said, "Let me share some life-changing habits. Listen carefully. 1. Wake up early. Waking up 1 hour earlier every day adds 365 extra hours a year. Imagine what you can do with that time. Alex had never thought about time this way before. He decided to wake up early and use that time for self-improvement. 2. Read every day. Reading just 10 pages a day means finishing at least 12 books a year. These 12 books can change your mindset, knowledge, and future. Alex loved stories, but never started reading self-improvement books. So, he decided to read a little every day. 3. Set small goals. If you write just 200 words a day, you will finish a whole book in a year. Remember, drops of water eventually make a big ocean. Hearing this, Alex set small daily goals instead of waiting for big dreams. 4. Don't procrastinate. Whenever you think of delaying a task, count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and start immediately. Or tell yourself you'll work on it for just 2 minutes. This simple trick pushes you toward action. After some days, Alex applied this rule and saw that no task was left for later. He finished them quickly. 5. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every night in a diary. This changes your attitude from complaining to appreciating. At first, Alex found it funny. But after regular practice, he felt more positive and happier. 6. Exercise 10 minutes daily. Doing 10 minutes of exercise at home daily is better than waiting for the perfect gym day. It keeps both your mind and body healthy. 7. Limit phone time. Whenever you use your phone, ask yourself, is this improving me or wasting time? Games and social media waste your precious time. Set a limit on daily entertainment time and spend the rest productively. Alex realized he was wasting too much time on social media and started using that time wisely. Over the next few months, Alex followed all these small habits. At first, no change was visible. But after 3 to 4 months, he noticed clear inner changes. His focus improved. His study results got better. And he became more confident. By the end of the year, Alex transformed into a disciplined and responsible person. He no longer waited for big changes. Through daily small habits, he built the foundation of his success. Years later, Alex became a well-known entrepreneur. People often asked him, "What's the secret to your success?" He always smiled and said, "Big results come from small habits." Success is not about luck or talent. It's the result of our small daily habits. If you want to change your life, don't wait for a big opportunity. Start with small steps. Like the bamboo, your efforts may not show results immediately. But with patience and consistency, you will grow beyond your imagination. Now, comment below which small habit you will start today. If you think this story should reach more people, please like and share the video, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again with another story like this. Until then, be patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.